What if I told you that the worn-out dresser sitting in the corner of your home could become a stunning centerpiece that looks like it came straight from a designer showroom? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breathing new life into an old dresser and transforming it into something modern, stylish, and practical. Definition. Upcycling is the creative process of taking outdated or unwanted furniture and giving it a fresh, functional, and often more beautiful design. Why importance? Instead of throwing away old furniture, upcycling helps save money, reduces waste, and allows you to customize pieces to perfectly match your style and space. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start by removing all the drawers, handles, and knobs. 2. Sand down the dresser to strip away old paint or varnish. 3. Repair any dents or scratches with wood filler. 4. Apply a fresh coat of primer for a smooth base. 5. Paint or stain the dresser in your chosen color. 6. Replace the hardware with new modern handles. 7. Add finishing touches like lining drawers with fabric or wallpaper. Tools explained. You'll need sandpaper or an electric sander, paint brushes or rollers, primer and paint, wood filler, a screwdriver, and new hardware pieces like handles or knobs. Workflow. Start with prep work like sanding and cleaning, move into repairing and priming, then paint, and finally finish off with hardware installation and decorative touches. Quick tips. Use painter's tape for clean edges, always sand between coats for a professional look, and pick bold or contrasting hardware to make your dresser pop. Cost comparison. Buying a brand new dresser can cost hundreds of dollars, while upcycling an old one usually costs less than a quarter of that when you factor in paint, tools, and hardware. And there you have it, your old dresser, completely reborn into a stunning new piece. If you enjoyed this transformation, hit like, subscribe for more creative makeovers, and let me know in the comments what piece of furniture you want to revive next.